Welcome to Global Learner Solution. Subscribe, comment, share, and like. We have been talking about modular arithmetic. Now this is the part 4 of it, modular multiplication. Let's go through some examples under modular multiplication. Number 1, evaluate 3 modulo 4 times 3 modulo 4. 3 times 3 as solution. What do we have? 3 times the solution. I say 3 times 3. And then the modulo 4. 3 times 3, we have 9 modulo 4. And then 9 modulo 4, you have to simplify it. That was why we started from simplification. If you have not watched the first part, make sure you start from the first part where we treated simplification, so that will help you a lot. Now 9 modulo 4 goes into 9. How many times? So we can now have here that 4 times 2 will give us 8. What's the remainder? 1 modulo 4. So what's the answer? Answer is 1 modulo 4. Very, very simple. And then let's take as example 2. If you are also asked to simplify, evaluate, let me say 20 modulo 5 times, let me say 2 modulo 5. What's the answer? 20 times 5, 20 by 5, I mean 20 by 2. 20 by 2 modulo 5. 20 by 2 give us 40 modulo 5. And that gives us 5 goes into 40 how many times? Now you can say 5 times 8 giving us 40. What's the remainder? There's nothing remaining. So we now have 0 modulo 5. So what's the answer? Answer remains 0 modulo 5. Now let's take another example. Let's look at another example. If I have as number 3, let me say 15 modulo 8. 15 modulo 8 times 3 modulo 8. What is the answer? So 15 modulo 8 times 3 modulo 8, what does that give us? That will give us that we have 15 times 3 modulo 8. Okay, so what do we have? We now have 15 times 3 giving us 45. So we now have 45 modulo 8. 8 goes into 45. How many times? How many times do you have there? 8 times what? 8 times 5 will give us 40. So you can now say 8 by 5. 8 by 5 giving us 40 modulo 8. So, okay, we now have, what is remaining? What will be the remainder? That remainder will be 5 modulo 8. So the answer remains what? 5 modulo 8. Now let's go straight away to modular multiplication table. Modular multiplication table. All this while under addition, subtraction, we have been treating modular table. Now let's see what is happening under multiplication of a certain modulo. So example, if you are asked to construct modular multiplication, let's take modulo 5. Let's take modulo 5. This is what you are going to have. Okay, you put your multiplication sign. There's no starting from 0 because you know that 0 times whatsoever value here, everything will be 0. So we start from 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see. I have this. 1 times 1. What does that give us? 1. 2 times 1, 2. 3 times 1, 3. 4 times 1, 4. 1 by 2, that is times 2, giving us what? That gives us 2. 2 by 2, 4. 3 by 2, don't forget that is 6. And then it's more than the modulo. So 5 goes into 6, how many times? 1 time, remainder 1. Then 4 times 2 is what? 8. 5 into 8, how many times? 1 time, remainder what? The remainder is the answer, that is 3. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 3, giving us 6. 5 into 6, 1 time remainder 1. 3 times 3, giving us 9. 5 into 9, 1 time remainder 4. 4 times 3, 12. 5 goes to 12 times 2 times, that's 5 by 2, giving us 10. What's the remainder? Remainder is 2. Now let's go to the last stage. 1 times 4 giving us 4. 2 times 4 giving us 8. 5 into 8, 1 time, remainder 3. 3 times 4, 12. 5 into 12, 2 times, remainder 2. And then 4 times 4, 16. 5 into 16, that's 3 times, giving us 5 by 3, 15. What's the remainder? The remainder is 1. So you can also try modulo 6 construction table. That's modular multiplication, modulo 6. You can do that. Very, very simple. But before I close this session, I want to give you some assignment, and then you try it. Okay, let's take the first one. Evaluate the following: 35 modulo 6 plus 8 modulo 6. Find your answer. Then number 2, simplify 80 modulo 9. And then we have number 3, minus 2 modulo 3 plus 7 modulo 3. And then number 4, okay, let's leave the construction. We have treated construction. Let's see 8 modulo 5 times 7 modulo 5. And then the last one, you can try this: 7 modulo 4 plus 8 modulo 4 minus 20 modulo 4. Look at the last one: 7 modulo 4 plus 8 modulo 4 minus 20 modulo 4. So you can try all this, and God bless you. Thank you very much for watching. Please try and share, comment, like, and continue to view our channel. Thank you.